Ay, pa, isa lang posen pa. Okay, sige, ma'am, ka nagpaulot.
Kasi na-inspire ng buko ko for a change.
For a change naman. Ay, nalikatin ba yun? Diretso ko yung buko. Ba't ka nagpaulot?
Para may iba din yun. Yellow straight.
Straight, okay. And last, ma'am, ba't ka nagpaulot?
Dahil naniniwala ako na hindi lahat ng kulot ay salo.
Dahil naniniwala daw siya na lahat ng kulot ay salo. Totoo naman ito.
Miss Mary Grace B. Ganan. Again, Miss Mary Grace Ganan.
Congrats!
Miss Monawa ever accomplished is the result of taking action. You have a choice. You can either be a passive victim of circumstances, or you can be an active hero of your own life. Today marks another milestone in your life. Never let it be said that a dream is a waste of one's time. For dreams are realities awaiting. In dreams, we plant the seeds of our future. I hope your dreams take you to the corners of your mind, to the highest of your hopes, to the windows of your opportunities, and to the most special places your heart has ever known. To our peers, friends, and contemporaries, and to our graduates, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 20th commencement exercises of the Filipino Institute, Abu Dhabi. A round of applause. Before we start, we would like to acknowledge some personalities who have contributed in the success of this event. And earlier, they were actually recognized in the processional march. Once again, we would like to call and acknowledge the president himself of the Filipino Institute and the brainchild of this institution. We have Mr. Gabriel John D. Romando. A round of applause, please. To the faculty, to the staff members, and to the trainers of the Filipino Institute Abu Dhabi team, a round of applause for them, right? And to the father and mother of the Filipino Institute, we have nonetheless Dean William Zimbel. A round of applause. To all of you, maraming salamat po for sharing your time in the quest of learning in the past 5 days. And hope to see you all in the next batch. Muling maraming pong salamat at mabuhay tayo lahat. Now to officially open the 20th commencement exercises, we would like to request the Father and the concurrent Dean of FI Abu Dhabi to be on stage to give his opening remarks. Ladies and gentlemen, again, we have Dean William Zimbel.
Marami din matutunan.
Thank you, Sir Reggie. The most important thing in your life is to live your life with integrity and not giving into peer pressure to try something that you're not. Mr. Gabriel John Romando, our president, to our keynote speaker, Sir, to our dear trainers, guests, graduates, ladies and gentlemen, a marvelous.
Hindi okay, wala na nakakain. Okay na okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3.